Here's why most people fail with AI. You type a prompt, it spits out junk, and you blame the tool. But the real mistake isn't AI, it's you. You're forcing answers when you should be flipping the script. The breakthrough comes when you stop asking AI and let it ask you. That one move can change everything about how you work. Here's the trap. You say, write me a lesson plan, and the AI spits out generic junk. So you pile in details, grade level, subject, objectives, still flat. You wasted time and it feels useless. That's the moment most people quit. But the failure isn't AI, the failure is you're doing the heavy lifting it should be doing for you. Here's the flip. Instead of forcing an answer, make AI interview you first. Literally tell it, you're the expert, ask me what you need to know. And suddenly the burden shifts. Now it's not guessing, it's consulting. It asks the right questions, collects your context, and only then does it generate solutions. This is the 10x creativity hack. Think about it. Excel can't teach you Excel, PowerPoint can't teach you PowerPoint, email can't teach you how to email, but AI can actually teach you how to use itself if you let it lead the conversation. And here's where it escalates. When you let AI interview you, you unlock insights you never would have thought of to ask for. That's because it's evaluating itself in real time. You don't get stuck in, did I write the perfect prompt? You let the model do the prompting. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. Say I'm a teacher buried in lesson prep. Normally, I'd ask, give me a lesson plan on Shakespeare sonnets. And I'd get copy-paste material. Now I flip it and I say, act as an expert in curriculum design. Ask me questions until you fully understand my students, my goals, and my challenges. Then give me two obvious and non-obvious ways to teach Shakespeare sonnets. Notice the difference? It's tailoring the solution to me instead of me tailoring my prompt to it. The result? A lesson that actually works for my class. This isn't just for teachers. The same shift works if you're writing reports, planning projects, or streamlining any workflow. Stop guessing the right prompt. Start letting AI figure out what it needs from you. That's the shortcut from generic outputs to breakthrough ideas. Here's your challenge. Copy the prompt I showed, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it interview you. See what comes out, and comment with the most surprising question it asks you. But don't stop there, because flipping the prompt is just step one. In the next video, I'll show you how to build a full system where AI doesn't just ask questions, it builds an entire framework you can reuse for lesson planning, grading, or any project. Miss that, and you'll keep treating AI like a toy instead of the partner it can be.